Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 6, MCQ lecture number 25 and our SW number 23. So dear students, let's start our class. Take your textbook, science book and open chapter 6. Dear students, follow the class with your textbook and suggestions. Chapter 6, sensory organ. Dear students, this is our revision work and we will discuss some MCQ today. MCQ number 29. Which one is the commander of body? Option A, hand, leg, eye, brain. We know the commander of our body is brain. So our correct answer is D. We put a tick mark on number D. Dear students, I am repeating. Which one is the commander of the body? We know the commander of our body is brain. So our correct answer option D. Now next question, question number 30. Where is sweat produced? Option A, epidermis, option B, endodermis, option C, sweat gland and option D, hair root. Dear students, the question is where is sweat produced? We know sweat produced in sweat gland. So our correct answer is option C. So put a tick mark on option C. Sweat produced on sweat gland. Now next question, 31 number. Which is the outer covering of eye? Eyelids, retina, conjunctiva and sclera. Dear students, we know the outer covering of the eye is eyelids. So our correct answer is option A. Put a tick mark on option A. Now answer following questions 32 to 33 based on the given stem. A boy of 12 years is not regular in taking bath and never uses a personal towel. As a result, he has dandruff on his head and that is increasing day by day. He is also attacked by scabies and has been using an ointment brought from a street hawker. Now question number 32. The boy is suffering from the problem of dash. What? Option A, skin, option B, hair, option C, gland and option D, brain. That means from the above stem we know the boy is suffering from the problem of skin. So our correct answer is option A. So put a tick mark on option A. Now next question, 33 number question. To avoid the scabies of the boy has to option 1, take bath regularly, option 2, use clean towel and option 3, use any kind of ointment. So which one is correct? Dear students, from the above discussion or stem we know take bath regularly and use clean towel. To avoid the scabies, the boy has to take bath regularly and use clean towel. So our correct answer is option A. That means 1 and 2. Option 1 and 2. So put a tick mark on option A. Our correct answer is option 1 and 2. That means take bath regularly and use clean towel. Now next question, 34 number question. How many sensory organs are there in our body? Dear students, in this chapter we know there are 5 sensory organs in our body and they are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So how many sensory organ are there in our body? That means there are 5 sensory organ of in our body, and our correct answer is option C. So put a tick mark on option C. Now next question, 35 number question. What do we hear with the option 1 outer ear, option 2 middle ear, and option 3 inner ear? So which one is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So dear students, the question was, what do we hear with? We know we hear with our ear, and ear has 3 parts. Now, outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. That means our correct answer option D 1, 2 and 3. So put a tick mark on option D. Now next question, 36 number question. What type of lens is there in our eye? Option A biconvex, option B convex, option C concave, and option D biconcave. Dear students, I am repeating again this question. What type of lens is there in our eye? We know our eye has the lens of our eyes is biconvex. Dear students, we know the lens of our eyes is biconvex. That means our correct answer is A. So put a tick mark on option A. Now next question, 37 number question. What is the name of inner ear chamber that consists of 3 semicircular canals? Option A utriculus, option B middle ear, option C pinna, and option C D sacculus. Dear students, the question was, what is the name of inner ear chamber that consists of 3 semicircular canals? We know inner ear has 2 chambers, utriculus and sacculus. The utriculus consists of 3 semicircular canals. That means our correct answer is option A. So put a tick mark on option A. Dear students, I am repeating again this MCQ. What is the name of inner ear chamber that consists of 3 semicircular canals? Our correct answer is utriculus. That means utricular consists of 3 semicircular canals. Now next question, 38 number question. How many layers of skin are there? Dear students, we know skin has 2 layers, endodermis and epidermis. So our correct answer is option B. So put a tick mark on option B. How many layers of skin are there? We know skin has 2 layers, epidermis and endodermis. Now next question, 39 number question. Which part of tongue helps us to feel sweet and salty taste? Dear students, I am repeating again. Which part of tongue helps us to feel sweet and salty taste? Option A front part, option B mid part, option C side part, and option D back part. Dear students, we know in first part of tongue helps us to feel sweet and salty taste. So our correct answer option A. So put a tick mark on option A. Dear students, I am repeating again. We know the front part of tongue helps us to feel sweet and salty taste. Now last number question, 40 number question. Outgrowths from epidermis. Option A 1 hair, option 2 nails, option 3 sweat gland. Which one is correct? Dear students, we know outgrowths from epidermis grows from hair and nails. That means our correct answer is option A. That means 1 and 2. Dear students, I am repeating again. Outgrowths from epidermis, hair and nail, and sweat gland produced from endodermis. That means this is not correct answer. So our correct answer is option A. That means hair and nails. Dear students, our today's SW number 23, chapter 6, MCQ. And you have to do 10 MCQ from this chapter. That means from 29 to 39. Okay, and submit it on Sunday. Dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic properly. Keep practicing at home and submit SW regularly, because you will get your CT diary and SBR marks on the basis of your performance of SW. So dear students, keep practicing at home. See you again. Allah Hafiz.